Blood pressure. The force that blood exerts against the wall of a vessel is called blood pressure. The blood pressure is written in the form of systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. What is the meaning of systolic and diastolic pressure? Let's first talk about systolic pressure. Systolic pressure is the pressure inside the artery during systole. Let's write the definition. It's the pressure inside the artery during systole. Here, the systole is contraction of heart chambers. So it is contraction of heart chambers. When chambers of heart contract, we call that condition as systole. And when pressure is generated inside artery because of this contraction, such pressure is known as systolic pressure. Now next we will talk about diastolic pressure. Let's see our next term, that is diastolic pressure. Here. The meaning of diastolic pressure, or we can say the definition of diastolic pressure, is pressure inside the artery during diastole. Such pressure is called diastolic pressure. Now, what is diastole? Diastole is relaxation of heart chambers. Heart chambers, that means when chambers of heart relax, that condition is called diastole. And pressure present in the artery at that time is called diastolic pressure. So blood pressure is measured in the term of systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. So these two are. Now let's see how blood pressure is written. Blood pressure is written as 120 upon 80 mm of mercury. Hg we know is mercury, and this value is for normal person, healthy person. Normal person. This here mm of mercury are the units in which blood pressure is measured. Here 120 indicates systolic pressure. It is the value of systolic pressure, and 80 is the value of diastolic pressure. That's why in the beginning I told that blood pressure is measured in the form of, or expressed in the form of, systolic pressure and diastolic pressure. Now, value of blood pressure can be less or more than the normal value. That means the systolic pressure can be more than 120 or it can be less than 120 also. Similarly, diastolic pressure can be more than 80 or it can be less than 80 also. So, this value can be less or more than normal value. So, these are known as low blood pressure and high blood pressure respectively. Now, this condition where blood pressure values are more than the normal value. Such condition is called high blood pressure, and it is also known as hypertension. Unhealthy lifestyle, stress, and unhealthy diet eating habits are considered main cause of hypertension. Now, next point is related to the instrument that is used for measuring blood pressure. This instrument is known as sphygmomanometer. Manometer. Now, design of sphygmomanometer has changed over a period of time from mechanical to digital. These are the mechanical versions, this one and this one are the mechanical versions of sphygmomanometer, and this one is the digital version. Here you can see that there's a display. Digitally you can see the values of blood pressure. So there is a change in the design of sphygmomanometer over a period of time. Now it has become digital. The earlier versions, they were mechanical. So this is all about blood pressure. Thank you.